Where do you find the rear jack point on the Toyota Prado 2020? So from the menu here, it says rear under the rear axle housing. So if you look at the menu right here, this is the back. So just right here next to the wheel, and just right there. Okay, so if we go to the car, you can see it should be just right there. So that's the spot right there. And looking at the back, on the side of the wheel here, it is right here. Right there. If you look on the angle, it is right here, right there. Okay, so I have raised this jack high enough, just so that it fit in. If we go from the back of the car, so this is the back of the car right here, and if I just push in, you can see it should sit right here. Now there are grooves, so make sure the grooves line up correctly. And that's it, that's right there. And that is for the rear end jacking point on the Toyota Prado.